The million-dollar question: can you achieve real estate riches? Imagine this: a life of financial freedom, no more stressing about bills. Early retirement is on the table, you're in control of your future. Sound impossible? It's not. Real estate has made millionaires out of everyday people, and you can be one of them. What if I told you that you don't need a trust fund or a six-figure salary to succeed? Real estate investing is accessible to everyone, even if you're starting with little to no money. It's about strategy, knowledge, and a bit of hustle. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. It's about building lasting wealth through smart investments. It's about understanding the market, making informed decisions, and reaping the rewards of your efforts. Are you ready to unlock the potential of real estate and embark on your journey to financial freedom? Let's dive in. One of the biggest misconceptions about real estate investing is that it's only for the wealthy. This couldn't be further from the truth. Sure, having a lot of capital up front can make things easier, but it's not a requirement. Think you need a perfect credit score? Think again. There are financing options available for individuals with varying credit histories. It's about finding the right lenders and strategies that align with your financial situation. But I don't have the time, you might say. That's okay. Real estate investing isn't about being a full-time landlord or spending all your time fixing properties. You can start small and scale up as your income and experience grow. The key takeaway? Don't let these common myths hold you back. Real estate investing is achievable for anyone willing to learn, work hard, and make smart decisions. Knowledge is power, especially in the world of real estate investing. Before you dive headfirst into purchasing properties, take the time to educate yourself about the ins and outs of the market. There are countless resources available to help you get started. Attend seminars, read books, listen to podcasts, and connect with experienced investors. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Start by understanding the basics: property types, financing options, market analysis, and legal considerations. Familiarize yourself with key terms like cash flow, equity, and appreciation. Remember, learning is an ongoing process. As you gain experience, continue to seek out new information and stay updated on market trends. We're here to support you every step of the way. Real estate investing is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. There are various strategies you can employ, each with its own set of risks and rewards. It's essential to find a niche that aligns with your goals, risk tolerance, and financial capabilities. Are you a hands-on individual who enjoys renovation projects? Flipping houses could be your calling. This strategy involves purchasing undervalued properties, renovating them to increase their value, and then selling them for a profit. Prefer a more passive approach? Consider becoming a landlord and building a rental property portfolio. This involves purchasing properties and renting them out to tenants, generating a steady stream of passive income. Other popular niches include wholesaling, commercial real estate, and vacation rentals. Explore the different options and determine which one resonates most with your investment style. The power of leverage: using other people's money wisely. One of the most significant advantages of real estate investing is the ability to leverage other people's money. This means using borrowed funds, such as a mortgage, to purchase a property. By leveraging, you can control a more substantial asset with a smaller amount of your own capital. This amplifies your potential returns and allows you to build wealth more quickly. However, leverage is a double-edged sword. While it can magnify your profits, it can also increase your losses if the market takes a downturn. It's crucial to use leverage responsibly and understand the risks involved. Before taking on debt, ensure you have a solid understanding of your financial situation, a well-defined investment strategy, and a plan to mitigate potential risks. Building your dream team: attorneys, agents, and more. Real estate investing is not a solo sport. You'll need a team of trusted professionals to guide you through the process and help you make informed decisions. A skilled real estate agent can help you find properties that meet your investment criteria, negotiate favorable deals, and navigate the closing process. A real estate attorney can review contracts, ensure legal compliance, and protect your interests. Other essential team members may include mortgage brokers, contractors, property managers, and accountants. Each professional brings a unique set of skills and expertise to the table. Don't underestimate the importance of networking and building relationships within the industry. Attend industry events, connect with other investors, and seek out mentors who can share their knowledge and experience. Overcoming obstacles, mindset matters. When challenges arise, the road to real estate riches is rarely smooth sailing. You'll encounter obstacles and setbacks along the way. The key is to maintain a positive mindset, learn from your mistakes, and never give up on your goals. One of the biggest challenges you may face is dealing with unexpected repairs or renovations. Properties can require costly maintenance, especially older ones. It's crucial to factor these potential expenses into your budget. Market fluctuations are another reality of real estate investing. Property values can go up and down, and there will be times when the market favors buyers or sellers. It's important to stay informed about market trends and be prepared to adjust your strategy accordingly. Remember, every successful real estate investor has faced their fair share of challenges. It's how you overcome these obstacles that will determine your success. Celebrating milestones, small wins lead to big success. The journey to becoming a real estate millionaire is a marathon, not a sprint. It's essential to celebrate your milestones along the way and acknowledge the progress you've made. Did you close on your first investment property? That's a huge accomplishment. Take the time to acknowledge your hard work and dedication. Share your success with your support system and allow yourself to feel proud. Even small wins like securing a favorable financing deal or finding a reliable tenant deserve to be celebrated. These small victories contribute to your overall success and keep you motivated on your journey. Remember, success is not just about the destination, but also about enjoying the journey. Take the time to appreciate your accomplishments and recognize how far you've come. Giving back to the community, real estate's ripple effect. Real estate investing is not just about building personal wealth, it's also about making a positive impact on the community. As you achieve financial success, consider giving back and using your resources to make a difference. One way to give back is by investing in revitalization projects that improve neighborhoods and create affordable housing options. You can also support local charities that focus on housing security and homelessness prevention. Consider mentoring aspiring real estate investors, especially those from disadvantaged backgrounds. Share your knowledge, experience, and resources to help them achieve their financial goals. By giving back to the community, you're not only making a difference in the lives of others, but you're also contributing to the long-term health and vibrancy of the real estate market. Join the movement. You're not alone on this journey. Embarking on the path to real estate wealth can feel daunting, but remember, you're not alone. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through real estate investing, and there's a supportive community ready to welcome you. Connect with other investors online and offline, attend industry events, and join forums where you can share your experiences, ask questions, and learn from others. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who understand your goals and can offer encouragement and support. Remember, success is contagious. By surrounding yourself with successful individuals, you'll be more likely to achieve your own goals. Ready for more? Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking your real estate investing potential. We've only just scratched the surface of what's possible in this exciting and lucrative field. Did you find this information valuable? Hit that like button and share this with your friends and family who are also looking to achieve financial freedom. Let's spread the knowledge and empower more people to take control of their financial futures. Have questions or want to dive deeper into specific strategies? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest investing tips, tricks, and market trends. Remember, the path to financial freedom starts with a single step. Let's make it happen together. Click the link in the description for more valuable resources.